Hello friends, in this example we are going to see how to use a HTML5 div tag. The div tag groups HTML document content. So just like in normal application how we use a group box and group the controls, here the HTML document is made up of several tags. So using div tag you can group those HTML content, the HTML tag inside the div. So the div acts as a container for other tags. So you can place a paragraph, or you can place a image, or you can even place a HTML form inside the div. So almost all the HTML element you can place inside the div tag. Inside div tag one can place other HTML elements, and we can apply CSS style sheet or a style attribute to the div tag. So this div tag shows the user the different part of the HTML document. By applying a different style for each div tag, you can show that your HTML document divisions. So that's why the div tag means divisions. So you can separate the HTML content into multiple division, and by setting a different style attribute you can show those separation to your user. So here is the div tag example. Here we have two div tags. So one is running from line 7 to 11 and another one is running from line 13 to 19. Each one contains a paragraph element in it. So first div tag has one paragraph and second div tag has one more paragraph. And each div tag has its own style. For example, the first div tag is using the light yellow background, and second div tag is using a seashell background, but at the same time it is having a border of 3 pixel wide, and the border style is dotted. So here is our div tag, first div tag. Inside that we have one paragraph element. This is our second div tag, and inside that we have one paragraph. The first div tag has the style set with yellow background. The second one has a style seashell background, and it has a border of 3 pixel wide, and the border appears as a dotted line. Let us see how it appears in the browser. Alright, so here you can see the yellow background, and this one is the seashell background, and the second div tag also has a border with a dotted line. So here in this HTML tag you can clearly know that there are two divisions. First division is placed in a yellow background and the second division is placed in a seashell background. Actually there are two paragraphs here. You can actually place whatever HTML element you want inside the div tag, so that you are grouping those HTML elements inside one logically grouped div tag. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.